In front of me is POCO C75 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on apps over here. Then you need to select manage apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select other settings. Then hit default apps. Tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage and to apply new app as your default one, click on it and tap on the back button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!